and even at the climax, I heard people cry. Even my friends went with me and they were sitting beside me and they were crying, and I was like, yes, or ro, please cry, please.
और डरो
और डरो.
इसीलिए तो किया है.
I will not become something like a doctor, engineer, or something because I was never that interested in studies, nor good at them. And when I shifted to Mumbai, what do you do in Mumbai? Actor. That is the first thing. And I did not take any classes or anything. बस I give एक दो audition and my second audition clicked for me. Like touch wood, दूसरे audition में
लकी लड़की है ये तो.
मुझे तो नहीं लगती है. इधर I'm seeing all my friends with these puffer jackets and everything. I'm like, oh my god, क्या हो गया? अभी भी 20s नहीं है, temperature. Like even society में आग लगा रहे हैं. I'm like, oh my god, people
bonfires have started.
Just wonderful to work with. Bassi, again, he's so funny. I can't tell you. I literally had tears by then.
Was he doing stand-up at the shoot also?
I'm telling you, if I was saying a wrong line, no, he would say something so funny. उल्टे में, I was like, please don't make me laugh. I had tears in my eyes. like, मेरा makeup खराब हो जाएगा. मैं नहीं हंस सकती. Please stop it, please.
She's an adorable mix of Shimla's charm and Mumbai's hustle. She went from doing Flipkart ads to starring in a Netflix original film named Baramulla, which is done really well. And hi, this is Sonal, and we are going off script today with the young, the talented, the beautifully grounded, and honestly, she's a total स्क्रीन ग्रैबर. ओके मतलब आ जाती है स्क्रीन पे तो चुरा ही लेती है लोगों की नजर. हाय अरिस्ता, हाउ आर यू?
Hello, hi Sonal, I'm very good. How are you?
I'm very well. How is it going? Tell me. Baramulla के बाद how are we feeling?
It's great. I mean, I'm super grateful. First of all, I'll start on that note. I didn't know it will blow up so much. As I always say it, I did not expect it to blow up so much. But I'm getting so much love, not only for my character, for the whole movie overall. People are loving it.
It's really something, yeah.
So I'm just super grateful for it.
But like when the process started, how did Baramulla happen? How did you know that you're getting cast into this film, and how was that initial, process? And how did you process the fact that you are now going to star in a Netflix original?
So when we, of course, auditioned for it, and we shot it a long time ago. It took some time to. Yeah. So I was young, so तब मुझे इतनी story भी समझ नहीं आई थी, honestly, because of course such a sensitive topic. So I was more focused on just my character rather than the story. Even while auditioning for it, was very difficult because you audition for that scene where I confront my dad about everything. So there only I knew this is something big happening. कि मतलब कुछ तो है ये, I do need to do very well here. And then when I finally got the call, तब भी it didn't kick in like this is happening. Readings happened, everything happened. When I finally went on set and I saw how many people are there, how much hard work's been put in, that's when I realized, I have to take this seriously, and this is like very big. So I think that was my moment of realization, like the first day of shoot.
But did you ever see yourself starring in a horror come supernatural film?
I mean, I always loved watching horror. Like, I could have never thought of it. Like, even becoming an actor, I was always like, theek hai, like, those comic roles, those girl next door type of roles. This was completely different. Even, that's what I'm saying, meko puri script samajh hi nahi aayi thi for me to understand horror. I just knew this is something nice, it's sounding nice. But when I saw it, I am telling you, because I've read the script also, I've been there for the shoot, I was also scared. Like, the climax was amazing. Yes, of course, because...
That's what I was gonna ask you. I mean, it's scary enough for the viewers, but how was it for you while shooting?
So while you shoot, it's completely different than how it actually comes out, because the sound tab nahi hota hai. The sounds are of course later added.
The background score that actually give you a cue ki abhi kuch to khawfnak hone wala hai.
So when that screeching was coming to someone walking, I was actually like, oh my god, no, like. So it was very fun, like watching it, because I watched on the big screen, so it was a different experience only. And while shooting, itna dar nahi laga, but dekhte hue I was like, okay, like this is actually scary.
कुछ तो crazy कर दिया है हमने. You must have felt that, right?
Definitely. When I watched it, I was like, because I was hearing the audience also, and all the sighs were coming. I was like, yes. And even at the climax, I heard people cry. Even my friends went with me, and they were sitting beside me, and they were crying, and I was like, yes, or ro, please cry, please.
और डरो. इसीलिए तो किया है. But how was their review right after the premiere? Maybe how did your parents take it? What did they have to say about it?
My parents watched it later when it actually got released on Netflix, because they didn't get to come on my premiere. But the people who went with me and the people who just watched it there, everyone was in tears by the end of it, because mostly it was just family of the people who were working, like the crew's family, and they knew kitna hard work gaya us cheez mein. There were people getting sick on set, getting hospitalized, and still being on set the next day. It was that because we were shooting in the cold, and but it was the hard work. Dikh raha tha ki, there's been a lot of heart put into it, and वो होता है, like if you put so much hard work, people are meant to like it then.
See, horror was something that you may have loved to do, but it's something that you did not see coming. It'll happen so soon. Is there another genre that you would like to try also?
Something like maybe action. Like, some, of course Citadel. I did, definitely. Like I did war, I mean, but I was not doing proper action. Maybe something like where I am like alphas coming out, like a female-centric action movie, that would be lovely.
We would love to see you in that also, because it does feel that you're quite versatile in your, acting skills. As in, आप डरा भी रहे हो, then आप अमिताभ बच्चन and आलिया भट्ट के साथ a cute girl next door भी बन रहे हो. Everything you're doing, Arista. But what kind of a person are you in real life? Like, which of those characters do you most resonate with?
I mean, like,
कोई ऐसा character जो लगा कि हाँ ये तो बिल्कुल मेरी जैसी है.
I mean, look at the characters I've done. It's Safina getting like kidnapped and all. How will I resonate to any of it? Noori. I mean, a little bit of everything, because again, at the end of the day, they're just teenage girls who are like dealing with their problems in the best way that they can. Even when I did Sharma Ji Ki Beti, it's just a girl coming out to her mother. So they're like very day-to-day problems that they're just dealing with. Waisa dekha jaye to normal teenage girls. So I feel a little bit to everyone.
And how are you picking up your scripts? Like, they have been quite different and distinctive to, one other. So what's the process that's happening, and what is something that pulls you towards a script?
Honestly, first, like, I think the main person decides is my mother. Like, because still she is in charge of it. I don't think so I'm responsible enough to still go. But she reads the whole script, not just my character. She wants to,
understand what's happening.
Understand actually what's happening. If only your character's night, but the whole thing is not coming together well, there's no point. Like, you can shine, but if everything's not coming together well, there's no point of it. So I think she definitely goes on how well it's written, the dialogues and everything. I think that way.
And then, like, what is the discussion that happens at home? Who is the one who's taking the script to mama, and what is the discussion you're having after that? कि मम्मा ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है, क्यों नहीं करना है, ये क्यों करना है? ऐसी बातें हो रही है?
नहीं, I don't think so. Like, घर पे we talk about work that much.
That's great.
Yeah. So mom is the one who takes charge of everything. Like, even just basically my manager only. I call it the mom manager. Like, she deals with everything.
She's the Kris Jenner of Arista's life.
Actually, I always tell that too. So she doesn't discuss it with me much, because she doesn't want me to like get affected by it or think about it too much. She deals with it. She just comes up to me like, तुम अब ये कर रही हो, and of course she does take me up if it's something like मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं करना, she will not make me do, but then I also trust her decision, like of course अच्छा ही लिया होगा कुछ.
अभी तक तो I mean I feel हम सब trust करते हैं उनके decisions को. There have all been like really good roles in work, that projects that you have done up until now. But how did acting start?
So in Shimla तो कोई scope नहीं था, because this industry is not something that's an option there. At least तब, अब maybe हो गया होगा because of everything. तब तो it was not even a choice, but I always knew that I will not become something like a doctor, engineer or something, because I was never that interested in studies, nor good at them. And when I shifted to Mumbai, what do you do in Mumbai? Actor. That is the first
thing. That is why you want to come to Mumbai.
That is why I want to come to Mumbai, but I shifted because of my dad's business. And that time I was very young. I was 10, 11.
Wow.
So mom was just like, you can do this as a hobby. And I did not take any classes or anything. But I gave 1-2 audition, and my second audition clicked for me. Like, touch wood, दूसरे audition में
lucky लड़की है ये तो.
And then of course I did TV first. Like initially I did TV, and then ads, and then via होता गया उससे.
What was the experience of doing TV and then doing advertisements and doing a film, a full-fledged film? Which of the experiences did you find the most fun?
I feel everything has its own thing, honestly. Ads is like that rush it gives you, because everything has to be done in one day. Because you meet new people, you get done with it, and then boom, like new people. It's like always a new team. So that's really like fun. Like every day you're becoming a new person. TV, I feel honestly, if I'm a good actor now, if people say that, it's definitely just because of TV.
Yeah.
TV has taught me acting. Before that, मेरे को बिल्कुल acting नहीं आती. Even if you see my initial serials, I was not very good at it. वो धीरे धीरे मैं करते हुए सीखी हूँ, because TV is like you're grinding every day. You go like, you know, work there for like 28 days a month. It's like that. So I think TV
It's like a job.
It's like a proper job
Yeah.
only, like ऐसा typical वो. TV is also very important. I feel if you want to learn acting and if you want to learn a good work ethic, TV is something you should go for. And then movies are like, they are the dream. Like at the end, that was always my goal. Goal में से बड़े पर्दे पे आना and all that. Yes. So that was my dream. But of course, I knew I had to take baby steps to reach there.
Yeah. Do you remember your first shot ever on camera?
I remember. I'll tell you. It was for a show. And it was 5 of us girls, okay? 5 ladke. It was all my age. I was 10, the other one was 10. And it was a promo, you know, serials ke promo aate hain, promo uske liye wo tha. And I had been rehearsing the line the entire day. एक ही line थी. I was like, ये करना है. And I'm sweating and I'm like, oh my god, I can't do this. I've cried also on set. Mama, please, मेरे को घर लेके जाओ. I can't. Like 10-year-old, this chubby kid who just wants to go. I'm like, please, घर लेके जाओ मुझे. She's like, no, you'll be good. You'll be good. I've taken 20 plus takes on it because I would just start like, and I talk very fast in general life.
And when you're nervous, you tend to talk faster.
Even faster.
Right?
And मैं तो normally भी बहुत तेज बोलती हूँ. And you know, directors can be mean at times. Even इतना सब कुछ करना. Don't even blame them. They might say something to you. And then you have to take it well, because it was my first year. Then I again cried, and then होते हो गया फिर वो धीरे.
But thanks to mom that she kept pushing you and you could get through that, because then वहाँ पर भी एक थोड़ा सा learning है कि शायद it may take 1 or 2 takes, but you'll get there, right? And generally when you're on a you know TV हो या जो भी हो, sometimes when you are also performing, like you've given your best, किसी की वजह से take लेना पड़ता है.
Right, हाँ.
ऐसा कितने बार हुआ, and how do you feel about that?
किसी की वजह से, I tell you, it can be a co-actor, it can be something to do with the location, कुछ आवाज आ गई, something wrong went with the wrong with the camera. But it's like, then अगर मैंने किया होता, अगर वो लोग frustrate हुआ था, how would I feel about it? It's something कोई जानबूझ के तो कर नहीं रहा. Everyone's just there to, like, you know, get over with their day and go home. So ऐसा अभी हाँ बहुत बार हो रहा हो तो you might be like, okay,
get it together, guys.
I might roll my eyes or something, but then what can you do? They're also trying their best only.
True. In Baramulla, was there ever a favorite, you know, moment that you, while throughout the entire shoot of Baramulla, ऐसा कोई सीन था जो करने में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया? You were like, you thoroughly enjoyed. भले ही डरावना हो, something, you know, you did not think you would do ever, but you really enjoyed.
It was that scene. Only I was on set that day, like that specific time. It was a scene where I'm searching for the dog with the flashlight. And we were shooting that at 2 raat ko, and I'm telling you, it was like 1 degree or like -1 or something, and I'm in this patla sa shirt. But I don't know, in that moment I just felt very, I don't know, like something was like good. Like I felt very good. Like everyone on set was just, that was the last shot. Everyone wanted to go to their hotel and just sleep. And I had to get it right. It was just like, even the shaking, no, was not because of डर. वो इतनी ठंड लग रही थी ना, मेरा हाथ ऐसे हो रहा था.
But अच्छा डर, ऐसा लग रहा था कि डर की वजह से.
It was very good. I felt that moment was a. There are moments in between shoots, you feel like this is why I do what I do. That time was like New Year's, मेरा skip हो गया था because of ये. And I was pretty sad because of it. It was next day of New Year's only when we were shooting it first ko. But then I was like, nahi, like I am supposed to be here. Yeah,
how beautiful. And was there a scene that you were like quite scared while doing only, or you were probably confused as to what are you doing?
The scene where I get locked in and then I'm supposed to imagine someone, like, you know, coming. So I have to imagine, like Noori can see it, but I to have to imagine. So it took me a bit of a time to get to कितना डर लगेगा उसे. पहले I was getting too scared. Then it was a little less, but then finally I got there, you know,
perfect.
वो एकदम होता है वो बीच में there, where it's not too much, not too little, that. And even running down the stairs and searching the attic and everything, that was also a bit of a task. It was actual attic. तो वहाँ पे गिरना विरना का भी थोड़ा डर था कि सच में गिर गई तो लग ना जाए. एक मैं तो गिरी भी, मैंने सबको बोला था प्लीज ये टेक रखना, जिसमें पता I'm getting out of the closet and मेरा पैर अटक गया, मैं धाम करके ऐसे गिरी हूँ. And
that happened for real.
Yeah. And I'm like, please keep this. ये actually बहुत natural लगेगा. But then he was like, बहुत अजीब तरह गिरी थी, मैं उल्टा गिर गई थी. But then हाँ, but it was fine. इतना भी बुरा नहीं था.
You didn't get hurt.
I didn't get hurt, and it was the end of the schedule only, so ठीक था ऐसा.
Have you ever in your real life experienced anything paranormal?
No, honestly, no.
Or heard anyone who's actually experienced it?
I have heard like from a lot of people, but I feel I don't believe in it only, so कभी होगा नहीं. If you're hearing a sound and you believe in ghosts, तुम्हें लगेगा भूत ही. If you don't, you'll be like whatever.
Yeah.
I've heard from a lot of people. मड में भी शूट, पीपल टॉक अबाउट इट. वहाँ पे कोई वाइट साड़ी में आंटी होती है, मुझे तो कभी नहीं देखी. इवन आरे, इट्स बीन गोइंग, आई सी ऑल दीस रील्स एंड
नहीं जाना है ऐसा कहते हैं.
आई हैव गॉन, आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई हैव गॉन विद माय फ्रेंड्स. रात को 2 बजे देयर इज दिस होटल
फॉर एन एडवेंचर.
या आई एम लाइक मैं तो देखूंगी, मुझे ढूंढना है भूत, मुझे बताओ कौन सा भूत है. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं, बट ओनली वन थिंग दैट्स स्कैरी, देयर एनिमल्स, देयर लेपर्ड्स एंड एवरीथिंग. उसलिए नहीं जाना. भूत तो तभी छोड़ देगा, वो तो छोड़ेंगे भी नहीं तुम्हें. इसलिए दैट इज द ओनली स्कैरी थिंग. बाकी आई तो डोंट बिलीव इन घोस्ट्स एट ऑल. नो.
Now, that was of Baramulla, but tell me, you've also, I mean, you first of all have come from Shimla to Mumbai. What has been a culture shock for you here in Mumbai? Tell me all kinds of shocks you've gotten here.
I feel the weather for sure. Shock भी, ऐसा shock अभी तक उतरा ही नहीं है, वो 5-6 साल हो गए.
Yeah.
That traffic for sure. Traffic, traveling, imagine if I जितना यहाँ से imagine अंधेरी से बांद्रा का distance है, उधर it will be covered in like 15-20 minutes, but right now it will take me 50 minutes to get there.
Can we just become Shimla? At least traffic का तो problem चला जाएगा वो.
Please. जिस दिन traffic जाएगा ना, I'll be just पूरे मुंबई में घूम रही होंगी उस दिन तो.
जिस दिन traffic जाएगा उस दिन लोग आराम से अच्छे time पे अपने घर पहुंच पाएंगे.
Traffic, weather, and I feel people also. Other people are थोड़े से ज़्यादा घुल मिल के रहते हैं. I feel Mumbai people are a little more busy with their lives, and I see why, because you know बहुत it's a very fast city and everything. Hustle एकदम hustle है मुंबई. सब वहाँ पे सब कुछ 8 बजे बंद हो जाता है. वहाँ पे everyone goes to sleep and like they start their day
your life.
Yeah, you're back to your normal life.
Socializing करने से बाकी.
यहाँ पे तो रात के 2 बजे तक people are getting home from work. पूरा Western Express highway जाम है, सब तंग है, कुछ नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है.
Do you miss Shimla?
Honestly, no. I'll tell you why, because I feel once you come to Mumbai, you will not want to live anywhere in this world. Go to New York, go to anywhere, you will want to come back to Mumbai.
Mumbai is addictive.
It is very addictive. The people, the places, the cafes, everything. You will, even Shimla, such a peaceful place. I have all my grandparents there, my whole family. I would never want to move away from Mumbai. Never. Wow. It's just like, अब मैं मुंबई की हो गई हूँ.
How sweet, how sweet. But like you said कि the weather, which actually right now is a topic of discussion. Because पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मुंबई में 7 महीने बारिश गिरी है. अक्टूबर हीट को हमने स्किप कर दिया है. सीधा नवंबर में ठंड चालू हो चुकी है. आपको लग रही है ठंड?
मुझे तो नहीं लगती है. इधर आई एम सीइंग ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स विद दिस पफर जैकेट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. आई एम लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, क्या हो गया? अभी भी 20s में ही है टेम्परेचर. Like even society में आग लगा रहे हैं. I'm like, oh my god, people are dramatic here. हाँ, definitely you'll feel ठंड if you go अलीबाग, लोनावला side, वहाँ पे तो होगा hill station, but इधर तो ठंड नहीं लगती.
But you know, Mumbaikars, I feel personally, because born and brought up in Mumbai, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब वो वाली ठंड हो जाती है ना, कि जब bonfire चालू हो जाता है, Mumbai feel like it's the most elite place in the world, because we are having bonfires building in each.
Yeah, it's actually fun actually.
What's your favorite part of Mumbai?
Favorite part of Mumbai? I like Andheri. I feel
Andheri
is like the center of everything. Versova. It has everything. You have your cafes here. You have nice restaurants here. Airport pass में है, malls pass में है. Work is close. I think that is the perfect place.
I'm glad then I could call you to Andheri only for this conversation.
Actually, it's perfect. Everything from Andheri is pass में. That side also, this side also.
And do you have any opinion about Mumbai ka khana? Because a lot of people find it a little 50-50.
Mumbai ka khana, I'll tell you, my only problem with it is that's very tikha. I can't do tikha. I can't do tikha at all.
Mumbai ka khana, she's saying tikha. Wow, guys, that's really... Come, let's discuss this in the comments.
तीखा नहीं होता? तीखा होता है ना? बहुत
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि the north has more spice.
I'll tell you, वहाँ पे ना मसाले होते हैं. इधर तीखा ही तीखा होता है. The only मसाला is तीखा ही. और पहले मिर्च डाल दो. मिर्च ऐसे बहुत सारे. Even I have a lot of ऐसे Maharashtrian friends. I go to their house. वो तो मुझे ठंडा पानी का कप, दूध वगैरह रखना पड़ता है साथ में टू ऐसा. It's yum for sure, like you know. But मेरा spice tolerance नहीं बैठता है वैसे. Even घर पे, because we always eat as a normal थोड़ा सादा food only, तो इतना तीखा नहीं जमता.
But what's your favorite Mumbai का maybe street food?
I mean, I really like samosa pav. If
You do?
Yeah, samosa pav is
पहली
something I
बार
really
मैंने
like.
किसी को सुना है वड़ा पाव नहीं बोला, ना
नहीं,
ही सोचा,
समोसा
ना ही
पाव.
चाट बोला, it's samosa
Yeah, I love samosa pav.
It's very good. Even I
very
like
good.
it, but
It's
I find it
actually
very
very-
underrated. No one's talking
it's
about
very
it.
good. It's very
है ना?
filling also. You have one samosa pav
Yeah.
and you feel full and it's
Yeah.
good and cheap also.
And
I
कहाँ
like
का do you like?
ऐसा नहीं है इसमें कहीं
कहीं
का
भी?
भी. You should try everything. कहीं का
Wow,
भी.
that's beautiful. Arista, let's come to the ad that you did. You know, the Flipkart ad that actually also really blew up.
Yeah.
And that is the first time I also came across you, and I was like, wow, who's this girl? That ad, it's got Alia Bhatt, it's got Amitabh Bachchan, there's Mahesh Bhatt also, and you've also individually done the Flipkart ads with both Amitabh Bachchan and Alia Bhatt. How has that entire experience been?
So of course when I auditioned for it, they did not give us names of the celebrities because of course they
What
can't.
a pleasant surprise
Yeah.
it must be.
And then we were going to shoot on 4th, 5th and 6th. Now 5th was my birthday, okay?
Yeah.
So I was a little upset about it
Yeah.
because I have spent all my birthdays working only for the past 3 years, I think. Which is not करना था, but it was like fine, ठीक है, it's
Yeah.
work, you don't say no. एक दिन पहले when I got the call time and everything, you see, you know?
Yeah.
And I was like,
The name.
it's written बस Alia लिखा था, there was nothing. Alia B. I'm like, it's Alia Bhatt. And there's Amit AB. I'm like, oh my god, I love it. नहीं करना birthday, चलेगा मुझे, चलेगा. Please just take me
सफल
to
हो गया
set.
इसी में सफल
And
हो गया
it was a very early morning call.
Wow.
But I was very excited. I was like, please, chalo, I just want to just be there on set and like experience, just share a screen with them. It was lovely.
So was that the first one that you did with them, or the individual ones were the first ones?
So first, the individual one happened with Amitabh. So
Yeah.
That was very fun. I was like, ऊपर से ना वो sets इतने ठंडे होते हैं ना,
Yeah.
that anxiety level increases.
Yeah.
बहुत ठंड लग जाती है. And then he walked in, and he's so sweet. I'm not even saying it just for saying it. He's funny. He's charming. He's sarcastic. He's just lovely to work with. Like if I said a line wrong, I would be like ऐसे मैं साइड ऐसे देखती थी कि oh my god is he getting angry? He's like ले लो और 4-5 टेक लो पूरा दिन है हमारे पास. And he was very sweet with it and also sarcastic. So he was making everyone laugh. Very fun to work with. Then came the main ad, the longer one. Alia ma'am and then Amitabh sir. She's also a very good person to work with. Then it happened. Then the individual was with Alia ma'am happened.
Yeah. And how was it shooting with so many people? I mean, Alia Bhatt, Amitabh Bachchan are just the biggest names that are there in the ad.
Yeah.
But then there were also a lot of creators in there. There was Jannat, there was Sakshi, there was Yashraj Mukhate, there was Bassi also. How was that entire experience? Did you get time to sit with all of them? No. It happened very quick.
It happened very quickly because I was there on set and they all were coming and going. ऐसा मैं तो 3 दिन में set पे ही थी ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. बस लोग आते जा रहे थे. मैं अपनी line बोल रही थी और वो जा रहे थे और मैं उधर ही बैठी हुई थी पूरा टाइम. I didn't get that much time with any of them except Sri Leela because that sequence with her was shot on a different day and just that, and we had rehearsals also for this step. So with her I got time because that was on 5th and my birthday, so she got me a cake and everything also.
Sweet.
She was very sweet. I think she was the sweetest amongst all of them, like genuinely just wonderful to work with. Bassi, again, he's so funny. I can't tell you. I literally had tears by then.
Was he doing stand-up at the shoot also?
I'm telling you, if I was saying a wrong line, no, he would say something so funny ulte mein. I was like, please don't make me laugh. I had tears in my eyes. I'm like, मेरा makeup खराब हो जाएगा. मैं नहीं हंस सकती. Please stop it, please. And even told him, I'm like, more than anyone, I was excited to meet you. Like, I was looking forward. Him and then Jannat and Sakshi, I didn't get to speak to them. I think थोड़ा ही hi hello ही हुआ because it was such a short thing, no. And then Mahesh sir was coming in, so वो जल्दी से they left then, so I didn't get that much.
Quick wrap हो गया ना सबका. But then how did the review and then after the ad was out and it had blown up, how was Arista feeling at the moment? How many calls did you get immediately?
Flipkart, I feel so many people were texting me on WhatsApp, Instagram. Is this you? Is this you? Wow. More than anything, no, I think Flipkart has been mentioned to me the most till date out of all my projects, movies, web series. Because it was everywhere. Like it was on Instagram, it was YouTube के बीच में ads में, in between like shows and everything. So it blew up like pretty big. And because there's so many stars in it. Because उन्होंने भी post किया था, like Amitabh sir and Alia also posted it. It was pretty big. I was very happy seeing it.
So many people must have called. And thanks to mom, I'm sure your mom made this happen for you. Did you go and tell her, Mom, what a dream come true thing you've done for me?
So she says it herself only. She's like, be grateful. See, I'm your mother. मुझे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, खुद बोल देती हूँ अपने लिए.
How sweet that. That's amazing. How does someone so young, Arista, work with such big names and still be so grounded? What's your mantra?
Even when you're telling me, like Flipkart thing came and I have never taken either success or not get failures. Not failures, ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है touch wood अभी तक. Neither of them seriously. Like, if something big also comes, I'm grateful for it. Definitely, I'm happy. But that's it. There is घर पे भी उससे ज़्यादा बात नहीं होती. Dad also Netflix पे good, like Arista good, congratulations, you did good, but you have a long way to go. It's that. उससे ज़्यादा कभी बात ही नहीं हुई है. Nor has घर पे parents only, they've never let me get to my. They're like, you're no star, like शांति रखो, अभी नहीं बने हो. बन भी जाओगे, then also there's always something more to achieve in life. So I have never even taken being an actor so दिल पे या दिमाग पे कि you're an actor. No, never.
So sweet.
It has always been very casual to me ऐसा कि बस काम है जाके.
And that's so good that I mean your mom is not only managing you, but she's also making sure that you're grounded enough to continue doing consistently well, right? That's really remarkable. Tell me, what's the difference between performing in a big commercial versus a narrative-led film that you've done?
In a narrative-led film, no. It's very specific. The want of the director is very precise, and if you go thoda left or right, the audience will not connect to you. Your message won't come across. The way the climax has been shot, वो थोड़ा भी अलग हुआ होता. उसमें हमने कुछ ऐड करने की ट्राई की होती, वो चलता ही नहीं, because the way it's been written for the audience. And something like Flipkart or something, I can even say an extra line and नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा. It's that. I can give a extra expression also, and people will be like, oh, ठीक है, because that's supposed to be light-hearted. Like that's supposed to be like just 2 minutes of your time. If you're spending 2 hours watching something, it's supposed to be like really good.
It should grip you.
It should grip you.
Absolutely.
And in movies and in web series, you're definitely supposed to be a director's actor and just do what they are saying.
How sweet. and you've loved being on like a film set?
Yeah, definitely. I love it. I just love it because especially we're shooting in Kashmir only, तो वहाँ पे ना all the ADs, the costume, everyone became a family. We were living in the same hotel. Of course, you spent like a month and a half with the same people, seeing them every day, dinner with them, lunch with them. You know, हो जाता है, that connection builds up. So I think that is something I really enjoy.
Do you have like a ritual or like a mantra or like a something that you do, silly, cute, like really grounding, that you do right before you start a project, right before you start your day, right before you start the shoot? Is there anything?
I necessarily don't push for it, but my mama, we go to Siddhi Vinayak every time I sign something.
Wow.
Every time. Abhi also recently we went. वो भी first आरती, like we get up at 3 o'clock, reach there at 4 and attend the first आरती. That is like the longest one, the 40 minutes one. तो वो तो she has been always keen on कि नहीं, the day you sign a contract, the next morning we are ऐसा going. So बारामूला के time पे also we went, night manager. Even when Flipkart got released, no, उस time also we went. So that is something she's been very keen on. And अब मुझे भी it comes very naturally. Like I tell her कि किया है, अब अगले सुबह जाएंगे. That and there's this very small Ganpati ji I have. This. So a AD, Nikhil sir, from my first project that I did, the serial that I did, उन्होंने मुझे उस पे दिया था when that thing got over, like the last day of shoot. So I still have it in my room, and whenever I travel anywhere, even मुंबई में only से मानो मड में shoot है कहीं भी, I take it and I keep them like the vanity के सामने वहाँ पे. That mama has like ऐसा installed these things in me, ये करने ही करने हैं. Like you should have some basic things that you do.
Some faith always goes a long way. Yeah. I agree with. I have got like a quick little chota segment for you, okay? Consider it a rapid fire.
Okay. Oh God.
1 line answer or something like that. Chota sa hi segment hai. Don't worry about it. One Shimla habit you still carry everywhere.
Eating with my hands.
Yeah?
Yeah. I eat dal, rice, everything I eat with my hands.
That's great.
Yeah. I can't like. ठीक है, जहाँ पे you have to of course fine dining you use, but like if I am eating with like people, like my people, I to eat हाथ से only.
That's great.
Yeah.
One thing about big cities you will never fully adjust to.
The roads, the traffic, I can't. I'm telling you, every day I cry about it. Please, वो पूरा Google Maps से लाल लाल दिखाता है ना, I'm like, oh my god.
Red flags everywhere. A memory from Shimla that keeps you grounded on set.
I feel when we left, like saying goodbye to everyone, like goodbye, yes, of course, I do see
Yeah.
them. Just like saying bye to like my
Yeah.
friends and like family there, because I won't get to see them very often.
Yeah.
So I think that is something that's always a memory that's very.
Must be so मतलब exciting also, but heart को इतना nervous भी कर रहा होगा
Yeah,
ना कि
yeah.
that this is a brand new chapter that you're
Right,
heading towards.
हाँ.
Sweet. If Shimla had to describe you in one line, what would it say?
Shimla describe me in one line. I don't know.
Yeah.
Mm.
What do your people from Shimla say?
Like I'm very outgoing. Like for
Yeah.
them, this is like इससे ज़्यादा क्या ही करोगे
Crazy
तुम?
कर दिया है.
Crazy हो गए.
Do you have a suggestion for people, because you are a Shimla girl and you can actually give good suggestions? You have a suggestion of what should one try when they're in Shimla?
What should you try when you're Shimla? Just
An experience, maybe a cuisine.
go to Mall Road. Like just go. You'll find everything there.
Yeah.
क्या खाना है, कहाँ जाना है. And people in Shimla are the most helpful. You ask them for one thing, they'll give you 10 suggestions. It's that. And food, everyone in Shimla is good. From the Maggi to the
Yeah.
momo
Oh my god.
to the rajma chawal, everything's good. कहीं भी खा लो सब अच्छा है.
ऐसे मन करता है कि यार अभी चले जाना है शिमला वापस.
नहीं,
एक
because my
ट्रिप
mom
करनी
cooks
है.
everything घर पे.
Oh,
ट्रिप तो मैं करूँगी. I've thought January में I'm going with my friends.
nice.
एकदम peak season में मैं अपने
Don't
nice-
tell when people will come.
No. अरे आ जाओ. We'll go together.
अरिस्ता कहाँ रहती है? अरिस्ता के साथ घूमेंगे. अरिस्ता बताएगी
5
शिमला.
साल से I've not gone to Shimla.
Wow.
So like this I have to go. I've been
Damn.
telling my nani, dadi every now आऊँगी. But Jan में तो I'm gonna go. Like good for 10 days I'll go.
But thanks for bringing, like I mentioned in your intro, Shimla's charm to Mumbai and now to the screens. It's there all over on national TV, and our hearts are so warm to see you, Arista.
Thank you so much.
Jate jate, I have one thing for you. What's the version of Arista that you hope to see in 5 years of time?
I feel a little more confidence.
Yeah.
Like I am confident now, but I feel this confidence not very natural. I have to try a little for it, like to speak up or like to वो someone who's a little more naturally confident, and that definitely like in my 20s I would want to be someone a little more confident.
Yeah. I believe you're getting there, because अभी तक मेरे को ऐसा नहीं लगा था that Arista is not naturally confident, or maybe she's trying.
See,
Absolutely.
fake it till you make it.
Yeah. I think you've made it. You've just not realized it yet. But yes, I'm wishing you all the best for all your future endeavors. And
Thank you so much.
considering you just lightly gave me a hint that you've signed something recently, so we're looking forward to it. Whatever it is, we're wishing you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining me here on Off Script with Social
Thank you
Nation.
so much.
ऐसे ही आपके favorite creators and actors will be joining me soon on Off Script with Social Nation, so stay tuned.